Here's a 2015 Audi A3. From the beautifully crafted exterior to the power and precision of the engine, this A3 is crafted to give you a luxury compact that makes a big impression. It comes with great features you'll love: external memory control, Bluetooth, dual zone climate control, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, power mirrors, leather bucket seats, auto shift manual transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, quattro 4-wheel drive with traction control, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Road and Track points out, inside the A3 sedan's cabin lives up to every expectation you might have based on prior experience in modern Audis. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. Take it for a test drive today. Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.